Hi guys, this is a very quick demonstration of one of the superpowers of Microsoft Azure, and it is called as Azure Information Protection. So Azure Information Protection, it's a cloud-based service designed to protect not only data in the cloud but also on premises. So this plays a big part in data security, especially in the cloud. Okay, right. So without giving you much of information about it, I'm just going to show you what it does. But before that, please notice that this is just a demonstration. I will do a separate video for configuring it. Okay, so let's say we want to open a Word file, and in a Word file we want to enter some confidential information. Let's say if we want to enter information about credit card of our customers. Okay, so while the file is opening, let me tell you that I have copied some dummy credit card numbers from internet, and I'm simply gonna paste it here, and I'm gonna save my file. Notice that I have logged in as Holly on the top right. Okay, now so let's save it, and I want to save that on my desktop. I want to simply call it customer info, and that will be saved on my desktop. When I click on save button, notice that there's a watermark kicked in automatically. It says credit card detected. Okay, not just that, there is another message sitting on the top, and if I click on view permission on it, it says that you are currently authenticated to view this document as Holly, and I have got this permission. So what this really means that only Holly can open this document. As long as Holly logged in the computer in the Microsoft Office in Word, Holly can open this document. Great. But you know what? I'm gonna show you what else it can do. So this is actually a label, and as per my settings, this document can only be opened as long as Holly is logged in the local computer. But this document cannot be opened anywhere in the cloud, even if Holly is logged in the cloud. So when I say in the cloud, I'm simply going to save this document on OneDrive, which is cloud storage from Microsoft. So let's keep the name same, and this is OneDrive here. So let's keep the name same and let's save it. So now this document has saved in the cloud as well. So you know what, we can minimize the word, and we can simply open OneDrive. We can simply open OneDrive here, and you can see that here it is, customer info.docx, and few seconds ago. Okay, let's try to open it. So it's saying that sorry, Word cannot open this document because it's protected by information rights management. Okay, in other words, Azure Rights Management Services now kicking in. Okay, so that service, it protects data by using encryption, identity, and authorization policy. Okay, not just that, if I click on edit in Word, say online Word we're talking about, and click on continue browser, sorry, you can't edit this document with other people. Okay, great. What about open in a reading view? So you see, whatever I'm trying to do, because this is saved in the cloud now, this will just not open the document. The only way out is the document is listed here, which is fine. You can't open it. But if I open here on Word in my local computer, then only it will open it. But I'm having to log in as a Holly. Great. So how is this get done? Okay, this is Microsoft Azure. Here, this is my Azure dashboard, Azure portal, and all I have to type is here that Azure Information Protection, and you click on that, and you see this label. Now this is a label that I have created. Rather, you know, this label is predefined in Azure. Okay, you can simply select it, and you can tweak settings of the label. So if I click on this label, the first thing first, you can see the name credit card, which comes up here in the Word. This is the name. You see this message, this will automatically apply to any as soon as credit card number, and save the file. So you can customize all this message from here. And not just that, this is the watermark. gets applied, the moment at least one credit card number get detected by Word in your file, or rather by Azure Information Protection, or RMS, Rights Management Service, detects the credit card number. And also you can choose the color of that watermark, but you can choose so many things in here. Yeah, so this is not the video of how to do it, but this is just a demonstration. So yeah, this is Azure Information Protection. Remember that you can create labels, and these labels, they help to classify data according to their settings, and then they can be automatically or manually applied. And then when they get applied, they attach themselves to the file, and then they encrypt the file accordingly, according to the settings that you have defined. My label is credit card, and it attaches itself automatically the moment it detects this number. Okay, so now you can pause the video now, or not important, but if you really want to go a bit detailed in the theory. So Azure Rights Management Service is the core of Azure Information Protection. So what happens? Azure Rights Management, it protects data by using encryption, identity, and authorization policy, and works on like phones, tablets, mobile phone, all that. But also there's one more thing which you really need to know is, once it encrypts a document, it sets the rights in the documents. Okay, once the label is applied, now that label persists wherever the document ends up, like email if you upload it on the cloud, or copy it, which really means that even the files leave the organization, the protection provided by rights management services remains in place. What I'm trying to say, for data security, if anybody can steal this file, say, or if my computer gets stolen and they try to access my file, or just take the file to any other computer in any other organization, this label can still be there. So until I'm not logged in as Holly, this will not open. This is Azure AIP.